In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your hosting or subscription step by step. Whether you want to stop auto-renewal, fully cancel your hosting plan, or just make sure you're not charged again, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and safely. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important confirmation steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com. This will take you directly to Hostinger's hPanel login page. Enter your email address and password associated with your Hostinger account, then click Login. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see your hosting services and account overview. Next, you need to navigate to the Billing section. From inside hPanel, look for the Billing option in the main menu. Click on Billing and then click on Subscriptions. This area shows a complete list of all your active services, including hosting plans, domains, and any additional add-ons you may have purchased. Take a moment to identify the specific subscription you want to cancel. Now select the subscription you want to cancel. Next to the hosting plan or service, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click on Manage. Once you open the subscription management page, you'll see important details, such as your renewal date, billing cycle, payment method, and available actions. This is where you'll find the cancellation options. At this point, look for a button that says Cancel Subscription or Cancel Auto-Renewal. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your plan or region, but it will clearly indicate cancellation. Click on that button. Hostinger will then ask you to confirm what kind of cancellation you want. In some cases, you'll be asked whether you want to stop auto-renewal immediately or schedule the cancellation for the end of your current billing cycle. If your goal is simply to avoid being charged again, you can choose to disable auto-renewal. This allows your hosting plan to remain active until the end of the current billing period, but it will not renew automatically. If you want to fully cancel the service, follow the prompts carefully and choose the appropriate cancellation option. When prompted with confirmation questions like, do you want to stop auto-renewal or do you want to schedule cancellation, select Yes to proceed. After selecting your preferred option, you'll move to the confirmation step. Here, Hostinger will show you a summary of what will happen once you cancel. Typically, your service will remain active until the end of your billing cycle unless you are within the refund period and decide to request a refund separately. Read this information carefully so you understand exactly when your hosting access will end. To finalize everything, click Confirm Cancellation. Once the process is complete, your subscription status will update. You should see something like Status Cancelled or Auto-Renew Disabled. This confirmation is very important. Always double-check that the status is changed so you know the cancellation was successful. And that's it. That's exactly how to cancel your hosting or subscription step by step. As a quick reminder, canceling auto-renewal does not instantly delete your website. Your hosting will usually remain active until the end of your paid term. If you're planning to move your website or back up your data, make sure you do that before your subscription fully expires. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward hosting and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.